after the end of the video. If you think this video is not helpful, dislike this video. But if you find this video helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel, because we provide quality content. So let's get started. Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss TCS NQT exact result date. I mean on which date TCS NQT result will be announced with live proof. So let's get started. But before starting the video, let me tell you very important thing. If you want to become software developer but you don't know how to prepare, where to prepare, how to improve your resume, everything, then no need to worry. Unacademy is here. As you know that Unacademy is the India's one of the largest learning platform, and they will give you complete roadmap like how to crack your interviews, how to improve your CodeStep profile, how to improve your resume. Okay, everything they will provide. And now what you need to do, you just need to get a subscription. After that you will get access to the live classes, you will get access to industry experts, you will get access to the innovative courses, you will get unlimited access. In the live classes you can chat with the educator, you can ask and discuss your doubts, and you can interact with some of the top industry experts, and you can gain their knowledge and their experience. And in the innovative courses, all the innovative courses are structured in such a way that it will increase your knowledge about the field. And in the unlimited access, you will get access to the live classes and recorded courses, and you can watch all live classes and recorded courses on any your of on your any device. I mean you can watch that courses on either on your mobile phone, either on your laptop. Okay, now let me tell you one more important thing. Here you can see there are many recently started courses. When you click here see all, then you can see there are many courses which are recently started here. Just for example, if you want to become a web developer, then just click here on this course. You can learn web development, okay, just in one click. Now what you need to do, just you need to get a subscription. You just need to get only one subscription and you can access all of the courses, you can access any course. Just you need to get a subscription. Now how to get a subscription, what is the price? Just click on the get subscription. After that you can see here 83 rupees per month is the subscription price, and you can say 999 is the total price, I mean total for 1 year. Okay, but no need to worry. If you will use my code like code Anurag, then click on the apply. Then here you can see one thing, there are 10% discount if you will use my coupon code, my referral code. Okay, so your course price will be 899 per year or 75 rupees per month. Okay, so now let me tell you one more important thing. This is Ujjwal Kumar Sen. He teaches digital marketing on every Saturday and Sunday at 3 p.m. Okay, so you can watch his course if you want to learn digital marketing. And now in last, let me tell you one important thing. This is a weekly calendar of Unacademy. Here you can see one important thing. In just 1 week you can learn lot of things. Now you can imagine in 1 year how much you will learn. Okay, so please don't miss this opportunity. Okay, now let's coming back to our topic. Now let me tell you my experience in TCS. First let me tell you, I gave my TCS NQT exam in the last week of October 2020. Okay, and after that on 10th November I got a mail like congratulations mail. Let me zoom this for you so that you can read properly. Here you can see TCS NQT selection round, interview process round. Okay, here you can see one important thing. Title is, they are saying greetings from TCS Trust, you are doing good and we are pleased to inform you that basis of your performance in TCS NQT you are being invited for an interview with TCS. Okay, so if you are selected, then they will send you mail like this. I got this mail on 10th November. Okay, so let me again zoom out. Okay, so this is the mail. So if you are selected, then they will send you mail like this. This is the selection mail. After that I got a mail like on December 15 I got a mail like based on your performance we are happy to invite for an interview. That mail was just for invitation for interview. Now this is the mail for invitation interview link. Okay, so this is the interview link. Okay, on 16th December my interview was held. After that I got rejection mail. I got rejection mail on, let me tell you, this is the rejection mail on 11 January. I got rejection mail. Okay, this is the rejection mail. Now after that I again gave NQT, I again gave interview based on my previous NQT score. Then I got selection mail. This is the selection mail. Let me load this. Yeah, this is selection mail. You can see this is the selection mail. I got selected in TCS on 13th August 2021. Okay, so now motive of to show this these screenshots is to only just tell you one important thing. I got my result after you can say I gave my TCS NQT exam on last week, in last week of October, but I got my selection mail on 10th November. Okay, so according to this you will get your NQT result on first week of October. Okay, so what is the expected result date of TCS NQT? Okay, what is the expected date of TCS September NQT? So TCS and September NQT result date is first week of October 2021. Okay, so first week of October. So this is the proof, live proof. Okay, so TCS takes 20 to 30 days. Okay, so you can see this is the proof. Okay, yeah, so please wait if you didn't receive any mail yet. And now a very important question is, does TCS send rejection mail? Yes, TCS send rejection mail if you are not selected. Okay, so they will send rejection mail for both, for NQT result also, and they will send rejection mail for interview also. Okay, so don't worry, they will send you a rejection mail if you are rejected, but if you are selected then they will send you a selection mail. Okay, so keep preparing for interview. And expected cutoff of this TCS NQT, I mean expected cutoff of TCS September NQT is very less. I mean about 60%. So if you will score at least 60% in all the sections, then you can easily clear the cutoff. Okay, so please start preparing for TCS interview, and I'll make a separate video on TCS interview previous year questions, and I also make a video when TCS NQT result will be out, and I'll tell you how to check TCS NQT result. Okay, so don't worry, just follow my channel and keep preparing for interview. So good luck for your interview, and if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box, and you can join our Telegram channel. And if you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.